Cream cheese frosting is a wonderful addition to many desserts. Its creamy and sweet taste makes it one of the most popular frostings. This white chocolate cream cheese frosting recipe will leave your mouth watering thanks to how delicious it is. The addition of white chocolate to cream cheese frosting gives it a decadent taste. This frosting is simple to make and requires no prior baking experience. This delicious frosting is sure to be a popular hit amongst your friends and family. What you will need. Ingredients: 8 ounces cream cheese, softened. 1½ package of white chocolate bars, melted and cooled. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 2 cups powdered sugar. 1/4 cup butter softened. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Break the white chocolate into small pieces. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the white chocolate at 30-second intervals until fully melted. Place to the side and allow it to cool. Step 2. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese and butter with an electric mixer on medium speed until they reach a smooth consistency. Step 3. Add the melted chocolate and vanilla. Mix until the ingredients are fully combined. Gradually add the powdered sugar to the mixture. Beat the frosting until it reaches a light and fluffy consistency. This frosting will come out off-white, so you can add food coloring to reach your desired shade. Tips and tricks. Since white chocolate can be a bit tricky to work with, you will want to make sure to microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring every time until melted. This will allow the white chocolate to fully melt and be free of any lumps. You can also melt the white chocolate on the stovetop. Simply bring a pot of water to a boil and then reduce the heat to low. Place a heat-safe bowl with chopped white chocolate above the pot and mix until the white chocolate is fully melted. When making this frosting, make sure that the butter and cream cheese are softened. If they are too cold, they will not allow the frosting to reach the proper consistency and it will likely curd. If the butter and cream cheese are melted, it will cause the frosting to be runny. When buying cream cheese, you want to make sure to get to the block kind and not the whipped or spreadable form. The block kind of cream cheese has the least amount of water content in it. Using it will allow your frosting to have the creamiest and richest texture. To get the smoothest frosting, sift the powdered sugar before adding it to the mixture. Simply measure out the powdered sugar and use a hand sifter or mesh strainer to sift it. Powdered sugar often gets lumps in it, so by sifting it you eliminate the lumps and add more air, making it fluffier and creating a smoother frosting. This frosting recipe makes enough frosting to frost 2 cake layers of 8 or 9-inch cakes. It also makes enough to frost a 13 by 9-inch cake and 24 cupcakes. Due to the cream cheese, this frosting should be stored in the fridge within 2 hours of use. Cream cheese is not pasteurized, so it can be prone to harmful bacteria if it is stored in temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It can last in the fridge for up to a week and in the freezer for up to 3 months. You can allow your cream cheese frosting to thaw for half an hour to an hour to allow it to reach room temperature. This will allow it to reach a smooth and creamy texture. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.